Why breakfast matters for weight management.
Eating breakfast can set the tone for your entire day. A well-balanced morning meal helps regulate blood sugar, reduces overeating later on, and supplies lasting energy. Skipping breakfast may lead to cravings and unhealthy snacking. Choosing the right foods for breakfast is an important step towards supporting healthy weight goals and overall wellness.
Balance your macronutrients.
A healthy breakfast should include protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein helps you feel full and preserves muscle, while fiber keeps you satisfied and supports digestion. Healthy fats, like those from nuts or avocado, provide lasting energy. Combining these macronutrients prevents mid-morning hunger and supports steady energy throughout the day.
Smart breakfast choices.
Select whole, minimally processed foods. Great options include oatmeal with fruit and nuts, Greek yogurt with seeds, or eggs paired with whole grain toast and vegetables. Avoid sugary cereals, pastries, or refined grains, as these can cause energy crashes and increase cravings. Focus on nutrient-dense foods to fuel both your body and your weight management goals.
Plan ahead for success.
Planning and preparing breakfast in advance makes healthy eating easier. Set aside a few minutes the night before to prep ingredients or assemble grab-and-go options. Overnight oats, egg muffins, or portion smoothie packs can help you avoid skipping breakfast when you're rushed in the morning.
Make breakfast a mindful habit.
Developing a consistent breakfast routine is key. Eat at the same time each day. Focus on your meal and avoid distractions like screens. Mindful eating encourages you to listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Over time, this can help you make better food choices and support a healthy relationship with food.